If you're experiencing live streams with no viewers and no interaction, you definitely shouldn't miss this video. In today's video, I'm going to introduce you to a software tool that can help you increase the number of viewers on your live stream, boost live stream interaction, and get your live stream sessions recommended to more customers. This is the interface of the software. To increase viewership and boost your live stream, we go to the seeding configuration section. Next, there are three types of seeding. First is seeding by profile, second is seeding by video, and third is seeding by live stream. We select the seeding live stream option. Next, we set up the live stream configurations here like this. After that, we enter our live stream link so the software can interact and increase the view count for the live stream. Next, we choose the configurations, for example, how long to watch the live stream, things like that. You can also like the live stream, send hearts or comment on it. After setting up the live stream configuration, we select the secondary TikTok accounts, the satellite TikTok accounts, so the software can work for us and help boost our live streams recommendations. We just need to select these accounts like this. That's it. After selecting, just click the Start button. The tool will then open Chrome windows and join your live stream sessions to increase viewership and engagement, helping your live get recommended to more customers. That's it. Each Chrome window represents a different TikTok account, and you'll get a lot more viewers this way. That's it. As you can see, the secondary TikTok accounts have joined your live stream sessions to boost viewership and engagement, so your live stream gets recommended and reaches the right target audience. If you find this video or this software helpful, feel free to contact me or subscribe to my channel so I have more motivation to make more great videos. Thank you for watching.